This is Austin with Palmer Johnson Power Systems. We are your premier hydraulic pump drive provider. Whether you're an owner-operator with one piece of equipment or 15 pieces of equipment, or you represent an original equipment manufacturer that is embarking on your next machine build, we would love to work with you. Here at Palmer Johnson, we represent several different hydraulic pump drive manufacturers, including Funk, Durst, Twin Disc, and NAMCO. Now, why that matters to you is if you're traditionally going direct to a manufacturer, or let's say that you go through a distributor that only has one or two different manufacturer offerings, is there's going to be instances that you're working on, whether it's a new application or a replacement of an existing application, where for whatever reason it falls outside of the scope of the product line offering of that one brand. That's the beauty of us having four, is that for pretty much any application you're going to run into, we're going to have a solution that'll work for you. And other things that set us apart with pump drives is our large inventory. We got our master stocking warehouse in Kansas City. We have 100+ pump drives on hand from an array of manufacturers that I mentioned earlier. In addition to that, we're not afraid to stock for inventory. So if you have several applications, if you have several pieces of equipment, let's just talk. Let's have a conversation of what your needs are. In a lot of instances with OEMs, I know that they have a just-in-time stocking model. That's something that we can certainly help support you with. So instead of waiting 12, 15+ weeks from a factory stocking standpoint, that's something that we can help support as well, of having that on inventory at our location. In addition, Palmer Johnson has 8 North American service centers in the Midwest of the US, the West Coast, and also up into Canada. So if you're needing service support for your pump drives, that's something that we're going to have covered for you as well. Thanks for stopping by, and give us a call the next time you're working on a hydraulic pump drive application. We'd love to have a conversation. Another benefit of coming to Palmer Johnson for your hydraulic pump drive support, so we have 40+ years supporting this product line, and I've got members that I work with here on my team that have dealt with pump drives for 20-25 years. So in most instances, if you're working on a new application or you've got an old dog gearbox in the field, it's something that more than likely they've seen and we'll be able to help you out with. For further support with your next hydraulic pump drive project, you can reach us at pjpower.com.